all, welcome to today's tutorial. In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to add data in QGIS for beginners. Okay. So let's quickly launch to our Qgis interface. To do that, I will come over to this blank space. Okay, I click on it. This option will pop up. I will make sure that the browse panel is checked so that it will appear under this table of contents. Okay. So that it will appear under we have table of content. Okay. So when the browse panel show here, to add up your layer, I will come over to home. I will click on the home to expand it, and then navigate to where I have my data. Okay. Okay, so here is where I have my data. I'll just right click on the data, drag to the Qgis interface. Okay, so that is how to add your data through the browse panel. Okay, another way you can add your data, let me remove this first. Another way you can add your data is to come over to layer. Okay, I click on the layer and then come down to add layer. To add vector layer, I will come to add vector layer. Okay, click on it. This interface will pop up. Make sure that the file, this one is checked, and come to this dotted sign. I click on it and navigate to where you have your data. Among all the files, you can see that we have so many files. You only click on the one that shows shapefile SHP. Okay, because if you click on this other one, this soft file, it will display an error in the Qgis interface. Okay, so I will open it and right click on add. Okay, so this is our data and it has been added to the Qgis interface. Okay, so let me remove it. In case you want to add CSV data, I will right click on it and then come to add delimited text. Okay, and come over to this dotted line, browse where you have your data. Make sure that it is a delimited text. Okay, so I'm trying to locate where I have my data, my CSV data. Okay, okay, so here is my data in Excel data. Okay, so I will right click on it and click on open. Okay, so you can see my CSV data. Okay, so after doing that, I will click on add. So here is the data. Okay, I will right click on it, then open attribute table to view the data. Okay, you can see the CSV data. Okay, so guys, that is how to add data in QGIS. So do well to hit on the subscribe button, share the video to others so that they can also benefit from it. Okay, you can also choose to drag the data and drop in the Qgis interface. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.